how to register for Scotiabank online banking as well as mobile banking. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will show you how you can register for online banking of Scotiabank, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, whether you're trying to register for online banking or mobile banking, you need to have an existing account on the Scotiabank. So if you do not have a Scotiabank account, you will not be able to register for online banking. So first, I will show you how you can register for online banking, then we'll move on to our mobile and I'll show you how you can register for mobile banking as well. Now, what you need to do is, first of all, just come to scotiabank.com. If you already have an online banking account, you can just click on the sign in option, but if you don't, you can just click on this activate now button on the right hand side, as you can see. Once you click on the activate now button, it will ask you for a few other details, so just click on the option called activate now again. And once you click on activate now, first of all, you have to enter your card number, which is of course of your Scotiabank. So just go to Scotiabank debit card number depending upon whichever card you have. Then after that, enter the card number and then click the continue button. After that, it might ask you for your account details and the legal name and so on in order to finish the registration process, and you can follow the instructions to register for online banking. Now, in another case, let's say that you are on mobile and you want to register for mobile banking. Now keep in mind that if you register for internet banking or online banking, you can only use from browser or website. If you register for mobile banking, you can only use from the mobile application. So those are the differences between online banking as well as mobile banking. So I showed you how you can do for online banking. Now, in order to register for mobile banking, download the Scotiabank mobile banking application. Then after that, you'll be able to log into your Scotiabank mobile banking account. But if you don't have an account, which I'm assuming you don't have, at the bottom of the screen you'll find the option that says activate now. Just tap on the activate now option. As you do that, it will ask you for a few details. Now, first things first, you have to enter your card number depending upon which type of card you have for Scotiabank. I'm assuming most of you of course have a debit card, which is given by default, and then you want to make sure to enter your debit card's number. After you've done that, it will ask you for a few other details such as your account number, your account legal name, and other details in order to finish the registration process for both your online banking or mobile banking. And that's all it takes to register for Scotiabank's mobile and online banking. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in the next video.